Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Audi A4 B7 key. First, gather your working key and the new or disconnected key. Make sure both keys have fresh batteries to avoid any issues during the process. This method is the most reliable way to ensure your key functions correctly with your vehicle. We will walk through each step carefully to help you achieve a successful connection. To begin, insert your already working key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, exit the car and use the second key, the one you want to connect, to manually lock the driver's door. This action initiates the synchronization sequence. Hold the lock button for about 2 seconds before releasing it. After manually locking the door, press the unlock button on the second key. You should hear a confirmation sound from the car. Repeat the lock and unlock sequence one more time to ensure the connection is solid. Finally, remove the key from the door, get back into the car, and test all the functions of your newly connected key. Once you've completed the steps, thoroughly test all the buttons on your key, including lock, unlock, and trunk release. If you encounter any issues, simply repeat the entire process from the beginning, paying close attention to each step. Sometimes, a second attempt ensures a perfect connection. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.